Hey guys, check this out. I just wanted to show you a product I found at SEMA 2022 that will now be available on our website. It's called Rim Trim. You can see it here on my wife's Tesla. This is their new pink color. It also comes in 11 other colors, including black and carbon fiber. And the reason I like this so much is it actually has a lot of protection. So if you see, this is a thick piece of rubber that sticks to the wheel and adds quite a bit of protection and even kind of fixes some curb rash. So I really like the system. It's very easy to put on, and we're going to go ahead and start on the other side. Over here we're going to put on purple because both colors are going to go with this wrap incredibly well. But here's everything that you get in the kit. This was the pink product. One roll will do 4 wheels up to 24 inches. This is the purple. You get a glove, a couple instruction sheets, some alcohol prep wipes, adhesive promoter, and clear strips. One other thing that you're going to need for this job is some type of all-purpose cleaner, which I have right here, and I've also got a little bit more alcohol. So there's really only one way to fail at this, and that's not to do the prep right. You gotta make sure you clean everything off. So here we go, let's put this thing on. Okay, so we're gonna start with our first cleaning pass. This is the wheel and tire and brake assembly of a car. So it's gonna be one of the dirtiest parts of the car. We definitely wanna make sure we clean it. We don't use any tire shine on our vehicle, so it's a little bit easier for me. If you use tire shine, it's gonna be even more important that you go over this multiple times to make sure every bit of grime and any silicone or agents or any tire shine is removed. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a brush for my first step. Get down in this groove. The double-sided tape part of this product does stick directly to this face, not in the groove, which is a very nice thing because that's definitely the dirtiest, greasiest part. Notice I'm using a lot of cleaner here because I'm just flushing. That's our all-purpose cleaner. I've got one towel for that. The other towel is going to be for alcohol. The kit does include some alcohol wipes, and we'll use those, but I like to go ahead and use my own products to get the wheel perfectly clean and then just use theirs as the very final wipe. Okay, so I just keep folding this. I'm gonna wet a little bit more, get some of that liquid right here on this edge, and once again, all the way around. Trying to get everything, and you can see how much stuff is coming up. Now I'm gonna start flushing with alcohol and water. That's gonna get that APC solution out. Use the yellow rag now to clean. See, every time you touch the tire, it's just gonna pull more and more black off. That's why you keep seeing me fold the towel over and over again. So the only functional part of this product is 3M double-sided tape. Only way this can fail is you either put the tape in the wrong spot or you didn't clean it good enough for the tape to stick. There is no other excuse for it not to work. So that just means prep is the most important step. Application of the product is incredibly easy. Okay. Feeling very good about that. I'm gonna come one more time, the fresh part of the towel, and this time just worry about the face where I know that double-sided tape is gonna be. Let's go ahead and get that. And now, I've got a blow dryer. We're good to go. You can see we have some curb rash here. It's gonna be great, it's gonna cover that up. Feels nice and not slick, but clean. It's grabby, it's just clean, which is perfect. Okay, now for the last steps, I'm actually using one of their prep wipes, which is just a higher content alcohol. I'm gonna go around that edge. Notice I'm going very slow this time. Try not to touch the tire, no reason to clean it anymore. But there's a little bit of dirt here, but better yet, my finger's not slick, it's not slippery. All right, now we're gonna apply the adhesive promoter. For this, you're gonna wanna put on the included glove. This is like a soaked sponge. you're gonna wanna go straight from one wheel to the other and get 2 wheels in one shot. You're not gonna have enough time to do one wheel, clean the other, and then do the other wheel. This is gonna dry out on you. So you wanna be ready for this step for both wheels. You get 2 of these per kit. So I tear it open. See, it's like a yellow sponge here, soaked in liquid. And we're gonna go 1 swipe on the edge of this wheel. This is not glue, this is adhesive promoter. So it goes on very thin, like water, like a solvent, but you don't need to paint it on, just 1 swipe. All right, time to apply the product. So, as you can see, this is gonna be really easy. This flexes really well. This nice rubber, really excited about this product. Looks good, it's very easy. But I think the thing I'm most excited about is that protection. A lot of potholes here in Louisiana. And so this is gonna really help. So because this is shaped like an L, as you can see, we just kind of line up this edge with the outside of the rim and press that way, and then just lay this on the wheel. Super easy, look at that. All I have to do now, pull some more tape, free a couple of inches and put my hand where I'm freed to. All I have to do is just keep pressing this straight down. 3 more. So you take the thing and flip it over a couple of times. I'll take the twist out of the product. I've got a squeegee because it helps me apply pressure. This is a really, really smart product. Love this. Curb rash, no more. I can see why this one, best product in 2019 at SEMA. When you get to the end, you free just enough backing. It's where it's laying right over the other. Take my knife, press down, and cut. And if anything, make sure you cut a little extra. We can trim some off, but you don't want to be short. Just try to press it together. I use the squeegee for this. Let's see if I can get it together there. If I need to trim some off. Yep. Be careful not to cut the wheel. Looks pretty good. Let's see how that fits now. Better. Take off just a little bit more. This little bit more chopped off. There we go. We've got the stripe applied now, and the only thing left to do is to take these little clear pieces here and make sure there's no adhesive tape in that crack. There we go. I'm gonna peel one of these little clear pieces off. Use the knife so I don't have any oils or grime on my finger that gets transferred back there. Take this little clear piece and just bridge those 2 pieces. That puts one little piece of protection, and there we go. That is all done. Just gonna use the squeegee for the same purpose as before, just to apply more force.